Mama put some braids in my hair. Now I have to sleep and I'll wake up and I will take out the rubber band. There will be curl. And I sleep and I wake up and I change my mind to not open these braids. I change my mind to open them tomorrow. It's time to open the braids. Little more time coming back. Wow, look at my hair. It's so curly. Wow, look at my hair. It's so nice hairstyle. So curly.